In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable the WordPress theme and plugin editor. This is a crucial step for enhancing the security of your WordPress website. By disabling the file editor, you can prevent malicious users or hackers from gaining access to your theme and plugin files directly through the dashboard. Let's dive right in and make sure your website is a bit more secure. The first thing you want to do is install and activate the Security plugin. If you haven't used it before, Securi is a comprehensive security solution for WordPress. It not only helps you monitor security threats, but also offers various tools to strengthen your website's defenses. To install the plugin, head over to your WordPress admin dashboard and look for the Plugins option in the sidebar. Click on Add New, and in the search box, type Securi Security. When you see it appear in the results, click on Install Now. Once installed, don't forget to click Activate to turn the plugin on. With the Security plugin activated, the next step involves diving into the plugin settings. On the left-hand side of your WordPress dashboard, you'll notice a new menu item labeled Security. Click on it. Once inside, you'll see several tabs. Look for the one that says Settings and click on it. Within the settings, there's a subsection called Hardening. This section is designed to help you apply additional layers of security to your site by making some key changes with just a few clicks. Now, in the Hardening section, you need to locate the Disable Plugin and Theme Editor option. This feature, when activated, will prevent any editing of your theme and plugin files directly through the WordPress dashboard. This essentially locks down your site, making it far more difficult for any unauthorized user to tamper with your site's code. This is particularly important if you're working with other developers, or simply if your site is otherwise vulnerable. Once you've found the Disable Plugin and Theme Editor option, you'll see a button beside it that says Apply Hardening. Go ahead and click that button, and just like that, you've added a valuable layer of security to your WordPress site. It's always a good practice to ensure you update your security protocols regularly, and disabling the file editor is a significant step in the right direction. That's it for today's video. By following these steps, you've taken a big stride towards protecting your WordPress site from unauthorized access. Keeping your site secure is an ongoing process, and tools like Securi make it much easier to manage. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on enhancing your WordPress experience. Until next time, keep your data safe and happy blogging.